Stop!
Madison, let me see you. Yeah, come on. Why are you being shy? Why? Come on.
It's not fair!
It is fair.
I don't want it to be fair.
What? Oh, show me your pretty face. Show me your pretty brown eyes. Show me your pretty white teeth. What happened to the rainbow? Ooh, there might be one soon. The sun just came out.
Rainbow's not here. The rainbow's not here anymore.
Where'd it go?
Oh.
Huh?
It's snowing no, it's not young. You see those.
It was not snowing all night long, was it? Did it snow for a little bit? Is it really, really cold outside?
Yeah. Never. We have ice to eat.
To eat?
Yeah.
Oh no, let's not eat it.
Yeah.
It's not icy enough yet. Woo!
I want to eat outside.
It's freezing cold outside though.
I just came without in here.
What? Are you serious? Go get a towel and clean. Oh, you didn't. Why did you spit in the coffee cup? Really? 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 You think you're funny? I'm gonna noggin you, girl. You're gonna fall. Good jump. Hey, how about you, come here. Come here, come here. Hi.
Yeah, go.
Can you sing me the ABC song,
No.
please?
No.
Sing it and I'll let you go. Come on, sing it and I'll let you go.
No.
Yeah, sing it. Sing the ABCs. Do it. Sing the ABCs. I'm gonna wrap you up. Sing the ABCs.
No.
Ah, please.
No.
You don't know how to do it, do you?
No.
You don't know how? Are you a baby? Sing the ABCs. Come on. Please. 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 Sing the ABCs. Oh. Sing the ABCs for me. That's yucky. Gross. Really? I'm gonna tickle that baby out of you. I'm gonna tickle it. Tickle it out. Get rid of that baby stuff. We already got one drooling baby. We don't need two. We don't need two drooling babies. No, ma'am.
Not two babies.
Are you a big girl? Do you know how to go potty on the toilet? Do you wear diapers? You liar. Do you wear panties? Baloney. You have panties on right now. I think they're Dora panties, aren't they? You're a goober. Really? Good night, Madison. Good night, Madison. Bye.